If you're managing remote employees, setting up payroll can be a daunting task, but with Deel, it doesn't have to be. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily set up payroll for your remote team from start to finish in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, Deel's platform is a game changer for managing remote teams and ensuring your payroll runs smoothly. First, head over to Deel's website and sign up for a free account. Deel is not just for paying employees. It's a full HR solution, and it's great for businesses looking to streamline their payroll while ensuring compliance with local laws in different countries. After you create your account, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything from contracts to payroll. To get started, you'll need to add your employees. Simply go to the Employees tab and click Add New Employee. You'll need to input some basic information about your remote employees, such as their full name, job title, and compensation details. Deel supports different payment methods including bank transfers, PayPal, and even crypto, so you have options that suit your business and your employees. Once you've added employees, you'll set up their payment schedule. Deel lets you choose the frequency of payments, whether weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You'll also be able to set up specific bonuses, reimbursements, or any other special payroll items that may apply to your team. Now let's dive into compliance, which is one of Deel's strongest points. Deel automatically calculates the tax requirements based on the employee's country and location, helping you avoid costly mistakes. It also ensures that your business stays compliant with local labor laws in over 150 countries. You can rest easy knowing that Deel is taking care of tax withholding and deductions for you, so you don't have to worry about getting caught up in legal complexities. The next step is reviewing and approving payroll. Deel gives you an overview of everything before you hit that Approve button. You'll see a summary of hours worked, bonuses, and deductions. You'll be able to make adjustments if needed. This step ensures accuracy before sending out payments. Once everything looks good, just hit Submit and Deel will handle the rest. Your employees will receive their payments directly and you won't have to deal with the headache of manual payroll calculations. Now here's the best part. Deel also integrates with accounting software, making it easy to sync your payroll data directly to your bookkeeping systems. This helps eliminate manual data entry and reduces the chance of errors when you're handling finances. Plus, Deel's customer support is top-notch, so if you ever have any issues or questions, their team is there to assist you. Before I wrap up, I want to let you know that if you're new to Deel, you can access this software completely free from the first link in the description below, and it comes with an exclusive extended free trial. That's it for setting up payroll with Deel. It's a simple process, but it's packed with powerful features to help you manage remote teams more effectively. If you want to avoid the headache of payroll, save time, and ensure your remote employees are paid on time and accurately, Deel is the solution you need. Don't forget to click the link below to grab your exclusive offer and get started today.